Okay, so you want to play Borderlands with your friends, but no matter what you do, you can't seem to get into each other's games. Well, I may have a solution for you. A couple friends and I did this, and it allowed us to play together with very little problems. The first thing you're going to need to do is download Hamachi. To do this, simply go to logmein.com, go to Products, then select Hamachi, download Hamachi, and install it. So now that you've downloaded and installed Hamachi, we have to change the priority of your connections. I use Windows Vista, so what I'm going to show you here is how to do it for that. But what you do in XP for it is largely the same thing. You're just going to need to get to your network area in XP. First thing we do here, you're going to go to the little start menu thing, go to network, go up on the top to network and sharing center. Might take a second to load, depending on your network. Go over to the left where it says Manage Network Connections. It brings this up. Hit Alt here. That'll bring up the Advanced menu. Go to Advanced, hit Advanced Settings, and then you're just going to move Hamachi up to the top here. Mine's already set, but I'll show you this. Move it down, move it up, whatever you want to do. And then after here, you're finally set to start up Hamachi. Alright, so there's little options on Hamachi. You can either create a new network or join an existing one. If this is your first time using Hamachi, you're probably going to want to create a network for you and your friends to join. So just hit create network up on top. You're going to type in your network ID and your password and just hit create. If you've created your network, your friends can then go join it. Just go up to network, join existing network, and then they'll type in the ID and password that you put in. So you're finally at the point where you can start up Borderlands, and interestingly enough, you're not going to try to do a LAN game like you would normally do with Hamachi. Just go to online and then host a public game. For some reason, it's never worked for us when we tried private, but public's always worked. So just start up the public game and then invite your friends. We have had some glitches where it should work, but the connections time out. All we do in those situations is just close out of the game, close Hamachi, and restart both of them. And then it usually works, no problem. I'm really not sure why it happens, but it works eventually. And so far, that's the best way we found to get the game to work for us. Otherwise, that's all I have for you. Just go enjoy Borderlands.